Hi, in this session, we'll learn how to select the part program. Make sure the machine is in ready condition. Switch the edit key on. Set the mode selector to auto mode. Press the program button to open the program menu. Then press the folder soft key. Enter the program number you want to select. 01234. Press the program search soft key. Press main program soft key. Observe at symbol near the program and program number in main screen will be updated. The program is now ready for execution.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master CNC operations.